Welcome. In front of me I have Realme C3 and today I'll show you how you can switch on this smartphone. So on the right edge you can find the power key. It's right here. As you can see, here it is. So all we have to do right now is just to simply click and hold this button. Keep holding. When you see this Realme logo and feel the vibration, you have to release that key. And now just simply wait until your smartphone turns on. Click right here, input your lock method, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.